Hello guys and girls in YouTube land. My name is James. I am with Daily Wage System. In today's video, I'm going to give you 10 ways to make money and passive income online. Give you tips and techniques to find your way online if you're looking to start a business or some business opportunities. And unless you've been hiding under a rock, Amazon. Amazon is a good way. Amazon pretty much controls everything. In spite of the fact that Mr. Jeff Bezos started off organizing moving books, Amazon usually and currently moves nearly anything you can consider. It's not only a site for purchasing your most loved toys, however, you can really profit with Amazon. And here's 3 different ways you can do that. Most people think, oh, just selling, gifts, toys, and that kind of thing. But notice the 3 down here at the bottom. Amazon Mechanical Turk. Now, if you've never heard of that, what is that? Well, you've probably heard of freelance writing, copywriting, and things like that. Amazon, that division of Amazon, you can, if you're good in writing and have some writing skills, you can get signed up for Amazon Mechanical Turk, become a freelance writer, and among many other things. And another option for Amazon is Amazon Kindle Publishing. As well, if you're a good writer, if you have a book that you're writing, look into Amazon Kindle Publishing to launch your book. And the third area, it's definitely not the least though. So these are not the least areas when it comes to Amazon. There's many other opportunities in Amazon. We'd be here all day and I could be, spend all my time on Amazon. But the third way is Amazon's associate program, where you can become affiliate for Amazon products. Now, they don't pay out a whole lot when it comes to their affiliate program. But if you have a blog or something like that, you want to put a link to a product or an item that you use, look into Amazon Associates. Number 2, YouTube. A lot of people out there, YouTube creators and ones of the like, are making quite a bit of money on YouTube. Not many individuals know this, but rather you can really profit with YouTube. In case you're thinking about getting into YouTube to profit, ensure you comprehend one thing unmistakably. This is this. On account of the new principles, in case you're anticipating beginning a fresh, out-of-the-box YouTube channel, the requirements now have moved up. 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers over, this year. If you started it this year, it takes about a year of time to get those items. Those are requirements from YouTube. Then when you receive that, then you can monetize your channel and have ads and AdSense and things like that on it. So research that when starting a channel on YouTube. The next area or next way to make money online is Upwork. Again, similar to Amazon Mechanical Turk, if you're a freelance writer, copywriter, and all those things, web design, look into Upwork. With Upwork, you're making an active income, and organizations and people post benefits on Upwork that they might want to redistribute. For example, article writing, video editing, app development, coding. List goes on and on. So look into Upwork for that if you have those skill sets. And there are huge employment opportunities and administrations being reappropriated on Upwork. The excellence of this is it has a low boundary for section. For example, you simply need to be great at something. Go back to the top. Article writing, video editing, app development. If you have that special skill, look into Upwork and sign it up for it and make some extra income. On the off chance that there's something that you're great at, similar to graphic design, coding, pretty much any ability, head over there and check them out. You can profit almost right away, especially if you have a good skill set like that. Number 3, many people float this name around. If you're an affiliate marketer, one of these things in your repertoire or on your list is ClickBank. ClickBank is a commercial center for item makers and associates to profit online by pitching their courses or services into the world. ClickBank just moves digital products, yet the excellence of ClickBank is the commission payout is a lot higher than Amazon. Amazon are giving you cent on the dollar, like you're talking 2, 3, 4%, 5, even 6% on certain items. But if you, for example, you sell something for $10, you're talking cents, right? Also, a few subsidiaries pay you as much as 75% for moving their services. Others pay as low as 5%. So remember that all things considered, you can make some truly great cash on ClickBank. Especially make a beeline for ClickBank if you're looking to become an affiliate. You can begin profiting right away. What about number 5? Fiverr. Fiverr. Oh, that's a nice time. I didn't even think about that. You probably heard of Fiverr. Fiverr referred to a great deal of time since it's a basic and simple site to begin profiting. It's an independent site where you can actually reappropriate anything, and I mean anything, on Fiverr. Just go check out Fiverr. There's people with all different graphic design skill sets, copywriting skill sets, similar to Amazon, the Mechanical Turk, and similar to Upwork. As long as it's legitimate, for as little as $5, somebody will create a logo for you. I've been on there and had them create me a logo for $5. It wasn't even worth my time. I just hired that out and got a decent product. Of course, you have to vet different ones and look at some of the ratings on different ones, things like that. But $5 usually is the starting price for a lot of these items. But there's logos that cost even more. Of course, it may have a little more time invested. But there are a significant number of various approaches to profit on Fiverr. Just to give some examples, you can do animation, logo design as mentioned, packaging design, web and mobile design, social media design, Photoshop editing, architecture, floor planning, 3D models, product design, t-shirt design, merchandising, SEO. Okay, I think you get it right. Fiverr hosts many different things you can get into. So look into Fiverr right here, guys. Look for that logo right there on the right, Fiverr. Number 6, and this is one I did a little research on. I didn't know much about, but I think this is a great opportunity for those with this skill set. TakeLessons.com. It's where you can show any ability. And I'll give you an example of that as I go on. Everybody has an aptitude that they can instruct. So for instructors, teachers, regardless of whether that may show somebody a dialect, in different languages, how to cook, how to play an instrument, how to tackle complex math problems, TakeLessons.com is a great platform for this. And anything you think another person probably wants to know, you can show individuals on Take Lessons and begin profiting right away as soon as you sign up. So if you have that kind of skill, you have that teaching background, looking to make some extra side income, what a great opportunity there. TakeLessons.com. Rover. Do you like pets? Notice this logo here, Rover.com. Dogs especially when it comes to Rover. Rover is a puppy sitting service, not just puppies, but dogs as well. Right now, just accessible in the US and in Canada, so please make a note of that. If you're listening in a different country, Rover.com, just accessible in the US and Canada for now at the making of this video at least. In this way, off the chance that you live in both of those places, you can enlist as a dog sitter and get paid for keeping an eye on Fido. You can make between $80 to $100 per night just by watching someone's dog. You can make decent money just keeping an eye on someone's beloved pet. So if that's something you're into, check out Rover.com. Number 8, Shutterstock. Shutterstock is where you can purchase or move computerized media, for example, pictures, music, video, made by specialists and outsiders. If you're especially great at photography, taking stunning pictures and recordings, or great at making great beats, you can adapt your ability on Shutterstock. You got that portfolio or digital camera full of beautiful pictures of Alaska trip you took, or somewhere at the beach, or some waterfalls or something like that. Check out Shutterstock if you want to make a few dollars off those beautiful pictures. The manner in which you profit with Shutterstock is each time somebody buys one of the photos, you get paid a commission. But the secret to profiting with Shutterstock is to reliably continue transferring great photos or great pictures. So keep putting them on there. But if that's another area of your expertise that you want to look into to make a little bit of money, check out Shutterstock. Number 9, Flippa. Now, I have personally used Flippa and their services. And maybe you've been keen on purchasing a website. You want to get a website or an e-commerce store or Shopify store, but you don't know where to start. You don't know coding. You don't know the least about getting a website running. You can get one done for you with Flippa.com. Buy a pre-made website and simply make it your own. Add your domain and special touch without all the web design and short coding and all that stuff that would make you dizzy to think about. Basically, you can purchase a ready-made website, one that caters to your business. What happens is you put an offer, much like eBay offers, and in the event that your offer is the winning offer, congratulations, you just won a website. You won a website. In light of the fact you just gotten yourself an online business by purchasing it. And just on a special note, I purchased a website from Flippa, pre-made, already had the affiliate links and things like that already on them for $89, just to give you an idea of the price. Now, there's some websites that have been established in Google that they want a lot more money for, but you can find them as low as $50, $60, $100, $200, $300, this goes on and on. You're looking to start and have a website? Check out Flippa.com. And last but not least, dropshipping. Now, a lot of people out there are making quite a bit of money dropshipping items. And dropshipping, what you're especially doing is moving another person's stuff for a fee without managing the transportation. In this way, especially, you're acting like an intermediary or a broker or somewhat of a middleman. Dropshipping, there are a huge amount of instructional videos here on YouTube if you want to get into dropshipping. So I'm not going to get into all the details of dropshipping. I personally don't dropship, but a lot of people do, and they know a lot more about dropshipping than I do. So just check out some of the videos here that will distribute the well-ordered guide of making your store, delivering items, promoting those items, discovering influencers, sending and getting paid if you want to drop ship. So research that, guys. Those are some areas and ways that people are making money online and making some passive income. So we hope you will use these tips to go out and start your way to earning some income online. If you're interested in drop shipping, there are tons of tutorials, as mentioned, here on YouTube that will show you the step-by-step guide of creating your store, finding products, advertising, finding influencers, and finally shipping and getting paid. But I will put a link below for a wholesaler just to give you an idea. No obligation to you. You don't have to sign up for them. This is just a tutorial, just an information website, and also some honorable mentions as far as making money online and some business opportunities. I'll put a link down below of some other opportunities if you're interested. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys.